Hey everybody, it's spring. Well, we're here at the bees and hopefully all goes well. You want me to set this here, honey? Here,
yeah,
on top of them. We're hoping all goes well. We will see. Which side do I need to be on, Jess? Which way are you going to put the stuff?
What?
You going to put the stuff that way or this way?
I'll probably put it over
Okay.
here, so
well,
you got a little bit of room.
What we are doing is hunting for a frame of honey.
I know Red's got some, but I think it's darker.
And had a lot of brood, we think.
Yeah.
So this is Dudley 6, and I always get just a little bit nervous. Yeah. Might want to wait. Yep, they're looking teed. They're teed.
Alright, now sit back.
Yeah, let's just wait on this. Because they have tended to be very ill and ornery at times. So, looks like it's going to be another day. Possibly. When you stick your hand down in there, how they act. Are you going to do it? Or are you going to wait?
Got them open.
Well, we might be going to do it. I don't know. I'm nervous.
Now, what are we doing, gals?
I have no protection on except for my mosquito guard on my face. And luckily he's got protection now. And we got my son some ordered, so, or he got him some ordered. And so that's good. Honey, should you be setting that on your lid or something or another so that if the queen was on it? Yeah. Okay. But we'll see if we can find some honey. I got a mosquito over here trying to get me. We have got terrible mosquito problem here this year. It seems like they are just horrible. Mosquito, mosquito, mosquito. I'd just set it down right there beside of it right here or something.
Oh, I see what y'all are doing.
Propolizing it?
No, they're hive beetles hiding in there.
Oh, they're trying to get them.
Yeah, they got them corralled in the hive.
Oh, I just seen one on a hive beetle over there. Look, they got one or something right there.
I'm trying to knock them out of this thing. They're all in it.
Oh.
They're in them holes. They had them corralled into them. See?
Well, they've got one right over there. They're trying to kill it. Let's see if I can zoom in on it. I don't know if this thing will show it. See them bees right there? They're chasing a hive beetle over there.
Yeah, they're running them down into these holes right here. I'm helping you gals. We'll get these evil hive beetles out here. They got them all in the top, though, looks like. We're going to have to try to top this. Looking easy. Maybe.
And your frame puller is in that white thing, but it is cloudy, but all we're doing is looking for that frame of honey, just to see. So, I don't think he's going to be pulling out every frame on this one.
Let me see if I can get this. I think I got him for you gals. Any more? I don't think so. I ain't gonna bother you. I'm here to help. Oh, I'm sorry, gals.
Y'all like that popping? Yeah, I'm back. I'm back. I'm just looking to make sure. Oh. Hive beetle?
Yeah, there's one in there. I got any more here?
May have to prop that up on this side right here where they can climb up in it, Jess. Climb back up in there. Because if you go over to that other hive over there, we might have Yeah, problems. You can't see the honey frame, can you?
I don't know.
Okay.
I can't tell all this.
Mosquitoes trying to eat me alive.
Looks like some dark honey, nectar, and pollen. Just a few capped right there. Turn it over here. A few capped right there in the center. Not many. This is an outside frame though. So, I wasn't really expecting to see that many brood. I was hoping for more honey though.
Mm-hmm.
Here, I'm just setting y'all in a temporary spot. I'll put y'all back in so I have some room. There you go. Keep pulling y'all's thing. Where is my... Y'all are being wonderful, Dudley, for the type of weather we got. Keep it up. We're here to help. Make sure you're doing well. Yeah, when the apiary inspector came out, he said this one looked like it had a queen event. So I'm really wanting to check it if I can. I know.
So this is a hive inspection, basically.
Yeah. Well, maybe not. There's plenty of larvae on this one. I mean, a lot of larvae. See if she's on this one somewhere, maybe.
I know when he checked it, all the brood was uncapped, right?
Yeah. All we seen was eggs. Well, there's a ton of larvae in there. Tell me if you... Right here she is.
Yep, there she is.
Yeah.
Okay, quickly put her back in
We're
there.
putting her back over here to the side.
We know she's
We'll leave
there.
her. She's in the box on that frame.
All right. Now just
That's
make
a
sure
good
you don't
frame.
smush her over there.
No, she's on this side.
Okay.
They ain't all the way against this side either. So she's doing her thing. There's plenty of larvae. They ain't capped off on that one yet, but I'm expecting to see some capped as we go in here. Hopefully on this frame.
Yeah, because it was all uncapped whenever he checked it.
Yeah. And that was over a week ago.
But he was glad about that because he found no mites in the roll, and he said since it was uncapped.
On the sugar.
Yeah, he said that was good.
So maybe they've learned how to get rid of them. This one's got some capped honey. The other got a few capped brood. Larvae. Quite a bit of larvae. From what I can see, I ain't see too good because a lot. There's a few capped right there. Now, it looks like a lot of pollen and nectar on that frame.
Okay.
Watch out, girls. I ain't trying to hurt nobody. So we want y'all all to do good.
Hey, Leghorn, what you doing? He's over here behind me.
Hit my side of my thing here, so watch out, baby. I don't think they're angry, but just be vigilant. I might just...
Remember your frame tool's right over there if you need it.
Well, I'm trying to get as comfortable as I can with these gloves and fingers while they're being good, and I'm not nervous to stay.
Oh, ain't it pretty?
Yeah, I got a lot
Not
of
attached to the bottom.
No, but they're working on it.
Oh, that looks pretty.
Yeah, see if I got any emerging yet. So we can tell exactly how long. It looks like maybe a few drones on their cells. I see them a little bit puffier mixed in with them.
Well, you haven't seen any drones come
Not
from
in
that
this
one.
Yet, no.
So maybe that's what they're doing.
There's some uncapped that they're capping now. So they ain't too far along. They're just finishing the caps on some of them. Looks like they're doing what they're supposed to. Oh, I'm sorry, gal. I think I might have clipped you. I think I got one. Sorry. I think I got a couple right there, to be honest. I'm gonna have to start going back in slower. More I squish them on for a little bit, smoke over them. I'm sorry, gal, I didn't mean to squish one. Feel bad. Quite a few capped on here.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty good brood pattern. Wanting to see some coming out, so I know we've definitely made generation after the queen event. But there's still plenty of bees in here. I think we'll be alright, pretty sure. Now I'm just looking to see if they got a whole frame of honey in here somewhere, hopefully. There's some that's all black. Some that's got yellow stripes and some that's got pale stripes. So I believe these got a whole mixture of genetics mixed in there. But I think that's a good thing. That way we don't have bees that's been bred on top of each other a lot. Or don't seem to be. Yeah, Dudley bees seem to be real good.
Mm-hmm.
And if you wonder what we mean by Dudley, it's a local area here in the county.
Now we tend to watch a lot of
We're just finishing some capping on them too.
what's his name's channel?
Which one?
Vino.
Yeah.
Vino, what's it called? Vino Farms. You might want to check him out too, because he how many years has he been? He's going into
4 or
it.
5, I believe.
Something like that, but
seems to be really smart and seems to have a lot of good subscribers that comment.
yeah, he takes you
I
along
really like him.
with him, like what we're trying to
He
do.
don't censor it. He just shows you like we're pretty much like we're doing. Either we're gonna do it right or do it wrong, or open for advice.
Yeah.
But I can't believe I'm just now getting into it, because sorry gals, don't let me get too ahead of myself. I love doing it, but like that apiary inspector, I just need more experience.
Oh, you better watch that.
Yeah, I ain't gonna
Looks
tilt
fragile.
it up at all. It looks like there's a few larvae in there mixed in right over here, but they're just
Yeah, I see some
just
capped
capping them off.
on this side. Ain't that capped right down there?
Yeah, that's a few capped. You know, it's like larva too. So she's been all
through it.
She's been all through this box. That queen seems to get around.
Well, that's a good thing.
Wish I had the right soundtrack, that old song, I Get Around.
Well, it looks like our queen event might have been their anger issue, maybe. Where, you know, they got really angry. We didn't know why. We got the apiary inspector to come out because we had dead bees on the ground. He says we had a queen event in there, so...
There wasn't no capped when he looked at it. It was all egg.
Yeah, so more than likely we lost a queen and they re-queened something or another. And that may have been our big issue.
I'm going to put her right back in there. They're doing good. They've about got it finished off.
Because we were getting attacked. And,
watch out.
You know, they're showing a little bit of illness now, but nowhere near what they were. You opened it and they got mean.
Yeah, we're about through this box, y'all. And I don't know if they're going to have a...
Don't look like it.
Hey, gal. I think they got some... Yeah, that's what I thought.
Hive beetle.
Yeah, they got some over here corner.
Oh, I see them. Did you get them?
I got him. But they got a whole little
area of them.
They're right here. They got them chased down this crack. We might need to. They're doing good.
Well, they're probably getting them.
Let's see if we can get her on out there for you gals and y'all. I'll try to help you if I can here in a second to see them. Get them, gals. Chase them on out. That's going to be a whole frame of nectar, I'd say, and capped honey when I get it finished. Hey, we might have opened a little bit of cells there. They're all over it, but wait a second. Make sure that ain't a
queen cell?
Yeah.
It ain't, is it?
No, it's where there's cross cone and they're...
Yeah. What?
I seen a hive beetle down there.
Well, they'll get him.
Yeah. Well, I've killed a few for them.
Yeah. They had them corralled really good.
I wish I was in better financial shape where I could afford
to do something else. But it will come, honey. Yeah. We take every day, we leave it up to God. And He is taking care of us and our family.
Oh, I didn't mean to say
and
there
we go. Is it? Is it? Is it?
It's patchy though. I ain't quite finished with it. I don't really want to see it.
That's the same one that was in there.
Yeah, but they took some out of it. It ain't always filled to the bottom.
Or was it attached to that other one?
And see, they're all the way in the bottom of it, so I don't know if they're eating on it.
Yeah, it does look patchy.
Yeah, I ain't got it all filled out.
See, they're inside of there.
Yeah, so I think
they've been eating it, and it looks like they may be laying in it or something now.
Yeah, because we're just coming out of the
dirt
here, I think.
Now remember, you got another one that has to go back in there.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it over here on this side, I believe.
Yeah, that way you don't bother the queen.
Yeah, she's on the other side.
She's on that end one.
Here, gals.
Unless she's moved.
Watch out, honey. These might be a little ill.
Okay.
Separated them.
I hope you got that pushed over enough.
What? I think I do.
To get that one in there.
So, stays out from under.
Well, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. That was supposed to just be looking for honey and ended up being a hive inspection.
Well, we never run across that whole frame of honey we was looking for, so. But
no.
We seen a queen.
Yeah, we did finally see a queen.
And she's laying good.
And
it looks like we should have some emerging before long to start bouncing them back to where they need to be.
We're trying. And if you enjoyed the video, click subscribe, hit that little bell. That'll notify you every time we upload. And we appreciate you watching. If you got anything to say or advice, leave it in the comments. Maybe give us a thumbs up, or if you didn't like the video, give us a thumbs down. But thanks for watching. Have a great day.